pushed by a rope. यहाँ पे horse टाई किया है. If a horse moves along a circular path, always keeping a rope tight and describe 88 meters. ये 88 meters उसने describe किया. 88 meters. When it traces an angle of 72 degrees at the center. ये angle उसने trace किया, that is 72 degrees. At the center, then the length of a rope. हमें ये find out करने का R. हमें S 88 है और ये थीटा है. तो S, that is length of arc is equal to 88 meters. Theta is equal to 72 degrees. इसे हम रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 78 into pi upon 180 radian. 36 into 2 and 36 into 5, that is 180. ये 2 pi upon 5 radians. Now we have to find out R. R is equal to length of rope. We have to find out this. Now length of arc is equal to 88. Formula of length of arc is S is equal to, we can write this as R theta is equal to 88. So R into 2 pi upon 5, that is equal to 88. Now R is equal to 88 into 5 upon 2 pi. This is to 44. So R is equal to 44 into 5 upon 22 upon 7. So R is equal to 44 into 5 into 7 upon 22. So 22 into 2 is 44. 5 to the 10 into that is 70. So R is equal to 70 meters. So length of rope is 70 meters. Select the correct option from the given alternative. अब यहाँ पे 22 पाई अपॉन 15 रेडियन दिया है. इसे डिग्री में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. तो 22 पाई अपॉन 15 रेडियन is equal to 22 pi upon 5 into 180 upon pi degrees. So pi will get cancelled. So 5, so this is 15. 15 1 is 15, 12. So 22 into 12 degrees, that is 264